Hi and welcome to Brass with Ben. This video is going to be a sort of an introduction into myself, as well as a preface for these video series. So my name is Ben Lanio. I'm a trumpet and trombone player and teacher from Adelaide in South Australia, and I have played in a bunch of different ensembles, like in musicals, and in big bands, and in small ensembles, and in pop groups. I've played in my own jazz ensembles, like the Very Modern Jazz Quartet, and I've just really enjoyed playing brass and teaching brass. So as a preface for these video series, I'd like to say that these are not a substitute for one-on-one lessons with a teacher. They're sort of in instances when maybe there's a global pandemic, so you can't make it to lessons with a teacher, or maybe you just don't have quite enough money, maybe not in a financial situation where you can afford to pay for lessons, and that is okay. These ones will sort of try to help with that. So these are videos that will help to bring basics all the way, hopefully, from a beginner maybe to a little bit of an expert on the trumpet. So if you follow along and do some practice at home, I think we'll have a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. And if you get to a point where you feel like these videos aren't quite enough, or that I haven't explained something that works in your way, drop me a comment. I'm happy to do video lessons as well as just answering comments. Let me know. I look forward to it.